Wrapping silky aesthetics around a custom chassis, a custom cockpit, and a proven LS2 6-speed drivetrain, this 1972 Corvette is all about the phrase, quintessential American classic. Sourced from the dry plains of Texas, this Stingray is out of a professional ground-up restoration. That reboot planted solid fiberglass under Ford Ruby Red 2-stage that's trimmed in Ford Caribou Black Metallic war paint and finished with gold pinstripes. And that pigment shines well against stylish yet subtle customization. Inside this Chevy, you'll find a stylish custom cockpit, 6th generation Corvette bucket center keystone suede in creamy mocha ultra leather. A custom dash hangs odometer gauges above vintage air climate control. The console stacks Pioneer touchscreen audio in front of a billet shifter, push-button ignition, and switches for power windows, and a stylish billet specialty steering wheel laps a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find 6 liters of LS2 small block that cranks out 400 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Behind that mill, a Stage 1 Street Ceramix clutch kicks a Tremec T56 Magnum 6-speed, which spins a Dana 44 pumpkin. With its reliable small block custom suspension and custom furnishings, this awesome Corvette combines explosive horsepower with excellent handling and classic American appeal. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotorcharlotte.com.